Welcome to Bird and the Light Idioms. My name is Birdie, the lazy sleepyhead. My cow, Petey, will also be here to show you his teeth. A bird. It means Sirangwangigamuda. Example. When my mates decide to turn Upim off to take a burn up with a bird upon my like. A chicken in every pot. It means Makamanyankukapantaksishiapangoda. Example. No one will be hungry if there's a chicken in every pot. A little bird told me. It means Sirangmemberidayu. Example. How did you know that I play chess? Oh, a little bird told me. A queer bird. It means Priatuayan Suringsulat Yayak Kompromi. Example. I hate meeting him. He is such a queer old bird. I often have a hard time being with him. A rook. It means Panapu. Example. Be careful. Don't believe what he says. He is a rook. As the crow flies. It means Melujalan Langsam Sakanjangaris Lurasti and Taraduatemkat. Example. As the crow flies, it is about 6 kilometers between here and the cinema. Bats in the belfry. It means Gila eccentric. Example. I think that he has bats in the belfry. His ideas are absolutely crazy. Bet on a lame rooster. It means Berderakupagiankala Terkalabuhi. Example. If you vote for that guy, you are betting on a lame rooster. Bird ring. It means Orangtala. Example. He is such a bird ring, not letting his son choose his own interest. Bird fancier. It means Orangyang Menjimari Guran. Example. My uncle is really a bird fancier. He has all kinds of singing birds in his yard. Bird in hand. It means Suzuatu Yang Munkin Duperula Takate. It means Suzuatu Yang Munkin Duperula Takate. Example. You should not have decided to leave this present job that you name it shit, because I think it can lead you to a better job, a bird in hand. Bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. It means Hendaknya tidak membuang kesempatan atau sesuatu yang sudah pasti demi mengejarkan kata yang belum jelas. It means, kita hendaknya tidak membuang kesempatan atau sesuatu yang sudah pasti demi mengejarkan kata yang belum jelas. Example. You should keep the prize and not try and win another one. Remember that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Word of passage. It means, orang yang rasa, orang yang tidak timbul lama di suatu tempat. Example. Don't be a word of passage. Relax and enjoy your life. Bird's eye view. It means, kamandangan dari atas. Example. Jane loves looking at the sea from the bird's eye view. Bird ring. It means, orang yang berotak keselilispado. Example. Hey, bird ring, why are you throwing money in the river? Birder. It means, kameradigiran orang yang hinamumalaaragiran. Example. Some birders were looking at an oriole in a poplar tree. Birds and bees. It means, fakta tentang seks dan kelahiran. Example. He learned about the birds and bees in his health education class at school. Birds of a feather flock together. It means, orang yang memiliki perasaan atau perilaku atau asal usul yang sama atau serupa. Example. Art and Don are birds of a feather. They like cars and football. Capillaries. It means, teller am. Example. Look, this hen laid 5 capillaries. Chick. It means, Juanita Muda. Example. I met a beautiful chick at school this morning. Are you sure you want to call it a day?